Questions in past perfect. Welcome to our video on forming questions in the past perfect verb tense in English. The past perfect is a verb tense that is used to talk about actions or events that were completed before a specific point in the past. In this video, we will be covering how to form questions in the past perfect, the use of auxiliary verbs, and the difference between the past perfect and the simple past. To form questions in the past perfect, we use the auxiliary verb had followed by the subject and the past participle of the main verb. For example, had he finished his work before he went home? Had they been traveling for 3 weeks before they reached their destination? It's important to note that the auxiliary verb had is used with all subjects, singular and plural. Additionally, the past participle of the main verb is formed by adding ed for regular verbs and by changing the verb for irregular verbs like in had you seen? Or had she lived in that city for 10 years? The past perfect is used to ask about actions or events that were completed before a specific point in the past or to describe a sequence of events in the past. For example, had you finished your homework before the movie started? Or how long had you been studying for when your friend called you? It's important to note that the past perfect is not used to ask about actions or events in the same time, for that we use the simple past. Conclusion. In conclusion, forming questions in the past perfect verb tense is easy. We use the auxiliary verb had followed by the subject and the past participle of the main verb. Remember to use had with all subjects, and to form the past participle of the main verb. Practice forming questions in the past perfect in your speaking and writing, and you'll be an expert in no time.